Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Do you want to have the best view of the Pacific Ocean and the flower fields during your stay in Carlsbad? Then keep watching this video because I am going to take you on a tour of Suite 374 at Grand Pacific Palisades Resort. If you are a Hilton Grand Vacations Club member, then stay tuned because Grand Pacific Palisades is one of the 3 properties you can stay in Carlsbad, California. Let's get started with the tour. Let's check out Suite 374. It is the norm nowadays that you will notice a sticker that the room has been sanitized. Once you're inside, to your right is a large storage area where you can store extra linens and other belongings. On your left is the spacious modern kitchen with the usual kitchen appliances. It has plenty of storage room to store your food and other things you brought from home. Cooking utensils are in the cabinets, but most are in the dishwasher, cleaned and disinfected for guests' protection. By the way, if this is your first time on my channel, remember to like and subscribe. Next to the kitchen is a dining table that can sit for 6 people. Let's move on to the living area. I love the color scheme of the living area simply because I love earth colors. The furnitures are modern design with a table and a floor lamp on opposite side of the sofa. The accent sofa chair complements and makes the living area pop. The living area has a 40-inch flat-screen TV and a gas-powered fireplace that we used during our stay to help make the room warmer. The suite balcony has one of the best views on the property. You can see the Pacific Ocean from afar, but you get the best view of Carlsbad, the flower fields. Bedroom 1 has 2 beds, a twin and a full-size bed. This is a perfect kids room if you have 2 kids. It also has a 40-inch TV and the TV cabinet has an ample amount of storage space. It also has a small closet with a full-size mirrored door. The room has a door that connects to the bathroom. The bathroom itself can be accessed by a door opposite the kitchen. The bathroom has 1 sink and has a standard tub and a shower. The door to the right is another storage space where the iron and the ironing board is kept. Let's proceed to the master's bedroom. The bedroom has a queen-size bed, but the room is a bit tight in my opinion. I love the headboard and the wall art at the top of it, but the bed is not the most comfortable. There are 2 modern table lamps on both sides of the bed that has plenty of electrical outlets on its base. The room has a telephone on the other side of the bed for guest convenience. Opposite the bed is another 40-inch flat-screen TV. The bedroom has double vanity sink. This is good for couples, so nobody fights who can use it first, right? Just kidding. No fighting during vacation. Opposite the sink is the wardrobe with sliding glass door. I was hoping the bathroom would be bigger, but no, it's a little tight and just a standard bath and a decent shower? Now you know what Suite 374 looks like. So there you have it, and thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.